Goodness comes and evil goes.
Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, welcome. My name is Kwende, and today we're going to get into another important subject, and that subject is Restore or Amplify, celebrating Omowale Malcolm X, Part 2 in the Islands. The great hero, the great liberator, Omowale Malcolm X, had a profound love for African souls throughout the world and worked tirelessly to uplift wherever they happened to be. And his impact in the islands of the so-called Caribbean, more accurately referred to certainly in this arena as the islands of New Africa, his inspiration, his words, his deeds have had a tremendous impact throughout the islands, and multitudes of people from the islands hold Omowale Malcolm X, and rightfully so, in pinnacle esteem because of what he represented, because of his deeds, and because of his superlative qualities in relation to personal transformation and the fullest expression of African manhood. Multitudes continue to tap into his speech, he recorded his speeches, the autobiography and other written material or account around the life and legacy of this great hero. And that certainly is another area of the world in which observant celebrations marking the time of his coming forth into being are key and empowering. Remembering, of course, that Omowale Malcolm X had direct family connections, amongst other types of connections, with the islands. His mother, for example, hails from the island of Grenada. So the connection that African people have that is exemplified within Omowale Malcolm X is profound and deep. So with that, let us move to the portion of the program entitled Quotation Vibration. Quotation for today comes from a recording, a song that was actually published on a number of occasions by different artists. It was written by Winston McAnuff and was first recorded by an artist called Earl 16. It's been then recorded by Dennis Brown, and it's one of the tracks that featured on his album Visions, and it was subsequently recorded again by an artist called Electric Dread. So it's been recorded at least 3 times. The song is called Malcolm X. Because it's been recorded and re-recorded, highlights the importance that this great hero has with artists from the islands. So the quotation then that I'm going to share with you comes from the version that I'm more familiar with, and that is the Dennis Brown version. And in it, as the song actually fades out, he says the following words: "It's been hidden from our eyes much too long. We've got to know the truth. And those are the lasting words that are heard. Of course, that reflects the exceptional quality that the great hero Omowale Malcolm X had as an articulator of truth for African ascension, wherever we are in the world. And so that recording, and indeed the other ones as well, shows the impact and highlights the importance that Omowale Malcolm X has. So it's certainly energy and traction for the thrust to restore or amplify celebrations for the great hero Omowale Malcolm X in the islands and with people from the islands. So with that food for thought, and surely it is food for thought, Kimunga Ukumbozi, Kimunga Ukumbozi, Kimunga Ukumbozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.
The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top. The sun who has returned home, for Africans back on top.